from second year EEE department. Our project is Shuro, which is a smart rodent detection and repellent system. Rodent often may enter into the parked vehicles, especially enter into the engine compartment in search of warmth and shelter, and damage important electrical wires, which causes car breakdowns and costly repairs. The vehicle owner may come to know this problem after a huge damage has already occurred. So for this, a smart rodent detection is identified at rodent at an early stage. It helps to prevent the electrical damage and costly repair expenses.
Existing solutions and gaps in existing solutions. Currently, there are several methods used to prevent rodent in vehicles. This includes chemical repellent spray, which are applied in engine base. However, they are temporary and lost efficiency over time. Another method is rodent traps, which are not practical for us inside vehicles. Some people use ultrasonic pest control device, but this operates continuously and do not detect actual rodent presence. Along engine cleaning and the rodent controller is used, but it does not guarantee prevent. Now coming to the gaps, this method do not prove early detection. These are no real-time alert. Rodent can adapt to fix ultrasonic frequencies. Most solutions are not smart or efficient.
So to overcome these drawbacks, we introduced our project called Shuro, which actively demonstrates the detection and repellent system of the rodents. Here the rodents may be various types coming from the rats to snakes. We include lizards and other animals like cockroaches. So we taken a car bay as a reference here. This is the car bay of Maruti Swift Desire. It has various blocks. In real life also, the car consists of these blocks. Here we can see engine block, battery block and engine harness block. So this is the system where we can see the number of wires and opening systems where the rodents can easily enter. So to prevent this entering of rodents and to repel them actively without killing them in the car bay, and to prevent the accidents in the automobiles, we introduced this Shuro model, which actively detects the rodent presence and actively repel the rodent. So here we can see the functioning of Shuro, which actively repelling the mouse which is trying to roam here and there. So this is how the Shuro system works.
At first, the input is taken from the LM35, which senses the temperature across the atmosphere. If the temperature is good, the RCWL sensor and vibration sensor start detecting. If any mouse is detected, the ultrasonic transistor starts and it emits ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves are used to repel the mouse, and they are emitted by it.
Now coming into the applications and advantages, it can be installed in car, bikes, trucks, parking garages and long-term parked vehicles. Basically anywhere rodents can enter and cause damage. Now coming into the advantages, it provides an early rodent detection, uses ultrasonic waves to the calming animals, send instant SMS alerts and works automatically with low power consumption. There are some limitations in this product. That depends on the vehicle battery. Ultrasonic waves may vary based on the environment, requires power turning up for different vehicles. Overall, Shuro is an efficient, safe and smart solution for producing vehicles for rodent damage. Thank you.